What's up, bud? And there's Coco. What's up, girl? You ready to get to work? Let's do it. So today's video, we're going to be replacing this leaky hose bib. It was here when I bought the house. As you can see, the handle just started to break, which prevented me from being able to tighten it and fully close it off. So now it's leaking. So first step we got to do is find out where the water is so we can shut off the water. According to a hand-drawn diagram that came with this house, there should be a water disconnect somewhere down here. So I was able to locate, it says it's the water meter, but there should be a disconnect. Alright, so that was my water meter box. That comes from the street, supplies the water. There's a shut-off switch here. Then I was able to find this pipe in the ground, and at the bottom you should be able to see a little valve there. Now this valve shuts off the water that runs to my barn and to my outdoor spigot. So I got the water shut off back at the meter location. Now I'm just kind of waiting for it to flush out the pipe. I'm going to start removing this piece here. That's what we're going to be replacing. Got the valve off. I think this is a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to take this up to Lowe's, match it up, just make sure I got the right thing. Only thing I'm not sure about, I cut the water off, but this is still just kind of bubbling. Not exactly sure why. So we got our new thing here. My assistant's helping me. What do you think, Mike? Does it work?
I can't go.
Alright, so basically what he said was, we went to Lowe's, we got this, same style as what we had before. I think it's actually called a boiler drain, but we had this vertical pipe here, and it's 1/2 inch threaded. So we hook our hose to that and we're good to go, right? Let's go cut the water back on and we'll test it. I was actually wrong before. That was the location that I thought was the cutoff to the barn water, but it actually cuts off just the water in the house. So this is our actual main water shutoff valve. So now that I got the thing replaced, I'm just gonna cut it back on and we'll be good to go. Try it again, other way. Ready? Let's see if it works. We got it. Good job. Alright, so now that I fixed this hose bib here, got this hose wheel here. It's right close to the garden. That's what I use to water it for now. When this hose bib was broken, got another water source way down there at the barn. So this is a little bit closer. Got a Boogie Blue Plus filter on my hose. I'm on city water right now. So this is just a little extra step for safety. Filters out chlorine, other harmful chemicals that are in our water supply.